By default, there are no shortcuts to lock or unlock tracks in Premiere Pro. However, you could create your own shortcuts. So click on Edit and then select Keyboard Shortcuts. In the search, type Lock Track and you get two options. One is to lock or unlock all audio tracks and the other is for the video tracks. So click in front of the audio tracks option and then type the key that you want to use as the shortcut. I use 1 to lock audio tracks and 2 to lock video tracks. Unfortunately, as you can see, the shortcut 1 and 2 are already used for selecting camera. But because I don't use camera 1 or camera 2, I'm happy to override my existing shortcut. Feel free to use any key as your shortcut, and once you're happy, click on OK. So I press 2 and then 1 to swap my locked tracks. That is, I locked my audio tracks and unlocked my video tracks. Then I use A to move all the unlocked tracks forward and then use other shortcut keys to edit. This can improve your editing efficiency. I just wished Premiere Pro had options to assign shortcuts for individual tracks to lock or unlock.